Good afternoon. Right, so I am at the very end of the nature trail here. So it comes into this area and kind of abruptly stops. There was plans to continue it at some point, but unfortunately nothing yet has happened. And I have got some ideas for what to do with this area. But at the moment I'm thinking it looks a mess, it looks abandoned. So you've got the nice river that flows along the side here and you just can't see it. So I've got a little bit of time today and some time tomorrow. I'm just going to go through, take out some of these holly trees that are hanging over the water, take out this sycamore that has fallen over, and just generally give it a little bit of tidy up. So yeah, let's get you on a stand. So let's move you over here so you're a little bit safer. And yes, the water did go over the top of my boots just then. So, right, let's carry on. So that's looking better already. Let's move you down here and we'll start attacking it from this side now. Okay, from moving you from over there to over here, I did actually do some off camera, which is that pile there behind the mower. So that was a small tree down here that was dead, and a small tree there that was absolutely smothered in ivy. Doing that killed the electric chainsaw, so that's back on charge now, hence why I'm doing the manual saw. I then went in from over here and started clearing this section, so I had access, so I could do the bit that I was filming just there. Unfortunately, this is a lot steeper and seems to be getting deeper by the minute, so I am absolutely soaked. My boots are full of water. I kept tripping over because there's roots under the water like that. I'm generally not having a good time anymore, so I have decided I am giving up there. That last branch that I cut has actually rooted into the bank, so all of this section is actually on this side of the bank anyway. I still want to get rid of it, so yeah, I'm going to go home, have a nice warm bath, get dry, get changed, and then tomorrow I'll come back. I will clear that, I'll put my waders on and get those ones over there. And yes, I know my waders leak, but hopefully the hole will be high enough so my legs don't get wet. I will be bringing a spare change of clothes though, just in case. But yeah, so I'll do that tomorrow, get that cleared. We'll see what time we've got. I might carry on further up there. But yeah, so I'm going to just quickly get rid of this rubbish, and I shall see you tomorrow. So it's the next day. Unfortunately, I've been stuck in the shop all morning, so I've only got about an hour or so down here, and the weather has turned as well, so it is blowing a gale and it's trying to rain. But yeah, I'll see what I can get on with. So my mini chainsaw was getting clogged up with mud there, so I got through the battery quite quickly. But it's looking a lot better, especially if you compare it to how it started. Now I did want to get those trees done today, but because of the wind, it's not a good idea to do those. So I shall leave this video here because it's getting quite long, and I shall do those in a second video. So see you for part 2.